Hi and welcome back to Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lots of fun mosaics, and it's going to cover a journal, and I'm going to have lots of fun and get really messy with lots of glitter. If you haven't seen the tutorial about alcohol inks, please look at that first because I'm using some of my leftovers from that video. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here is my book of mosaics. Now, if you haven't seen the tutorial about how I got the alcohol inks and the liquid clay together before I started popping it all on the translucent clay, check that out. I have popped it in the description below. So I used the glitter and liquid clay mix, and I mixed lots of glitter so it had a real sort of chunky, almost crispy effect, and I was able to pop it in between all of the little mosaic parts, and I think it's done an absolute wonder. So I don't think I would use just liquid clay. I definitely use the right amount of mixture of lots of different glitter, and as you'll know from my channel, I love a thing that sparkles, and this certainly does that. So this is how you make a boring book into a mosaic art piece. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. If you like it, give it a like. Thank you. From that video, and I used some leftovers from a video. Oi. So I smile too. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Do we like that? Do we like it? I don't know. Was that good enough? Did I do it? Good golly, was that first take? So this is my tutorial on, what am I doing my tutorial on? I don't know. Should we ask the book? Start again, Jones. Start again. So with the mosaics, I actually used part of so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So here is my mama. Did you understand that? I'll put the translation in the description. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you. Help me. Done. And that's the end.